Hi everyone. Hi. Hi. I'm sorry. This chocolate my friend gave me was just too yummy, like I had to have it. So, before we get started on to who are we, we're going to have a tiny little activity where you might have to stretch a bit of the muscles the Lord has blessed you with. Okay, now this is what you have to do. Put your hands in the air and now wave it and say, ooh. Now shake those hips, shake those hips. Now think you're shaking to like some techno song. Do you like that? Do you like that feeling? Do you feel like you want to dance today? Yeah, shake that booty. Okay, now are y'all awake? Like, do you feel like you want to like break dance or something right now? Free hugs, huh? Everyone in this room can come and claim free hugs from me. Guaranteed. Just not friendly hugs. So getting down to business, who are we? We are Google Student Ambassadors that we come under the Google Student Ambassador Program. Did everyone get that? Okay, we're going to have a small thing, communication. We're going to increase communication. Whenever I ask you if you got something, you're going to put your hand in the air and put your thumbs up. Okay? Okay? There we go. We got Googlers from abroad doing that, and Sri Lankans, you should be ashamed of yourself. Okay? Okay, there we go. So we are Google Student Ambassadors, and our mission, actually what we basically do in simple terms is, we are a liaison between our universities that we come from and Google. What we do is, we try to get these two links together to provide better futures, better knowledge transfer, give something more to students nowadays, so when they are in their undergraduate and when they graduate, they have something to do with themselves. We are trying to empower the students of our country by increasing IT literature and also increasing the willpower to do something. Like me, like if you ask me, I would be up on stage doing like yeah and all of that. It took me a lot of time, and I have to give a lot of credit to the training that we got from the Googlers in the house here. Can we give them a round of applause, please? Thank you guys. So the only reason I can do all of this is because of the 4 days of training we got. I'm going to tell you a bit about how our journey went, what we're doing so far, and what we're about to do. Okay? Okay. So this was the email we got. Okay? Now if you look closely, the subject line says, did you make it as a Google Student Ambassador? Now, if you applied for something like Google being a Sri Lankan, you're like, yes, man. But when you get a subject like that, I speak on behalf of all student ambassadors that got chosen. We did not open the email for 10 minutes. We didn't open it. We were on that thing, Mashang, should I open it? Should I not open it? What if I don't get it? I will never use Google as my search engine again. What do I do? That was the crisis we were in. But then when we opened it, that started our Google journey. That led us to 4 days of amazing training in Yogyakarta in Indonesia, where we got trained by Googlers of world-class reputations. We got trained by the locals, and the best part is they gave us the power and the ability to dream that we could come back here to our mother country and improve in any way that we could to the best of our capacities within our university and beyond. So we started empowering our students from small scale classrooms like this to the larger classrooms. Can you see all of this? This is how we started up. Small scale. This is small scale. I'll show you large scale in a bit. You see that? That's what we're trying to get. This is large scale. What I did with you, I did with all of these people. And this is like basically a slideshow of all our student ambassadors talking at all the events we've had so far. Yes, I know they don't look the best of their abilities, because come on, when we get on stage and I'm going to be like, oh my God, is my hair perfect? No, we are here to give you all knowledge, and that's what we're going to do in a series of Did You Know segments that will come up soon. So each time you see a student like me, think in your mind, it's the Google Student Ambassadors represent. Okay? Further on, just to bring out the communities that we work with. Now, being a Google community does not mean you only work within yourself. We collaborate with other communities. Like here, we're collaborating with all communities in Sri Lanka. So far, we've collaborated with the map makers, with GDG. We even have events coming out with the GBG as well. And if you like us and like me and want to know more about events like this, get on Google Plus, type Google Student Ambassador Sri Lanka, hit us up, not hit me up, hit us up, +1 us, and we +1 you too. And lastly, with the best thing that we ever got taught, do cool things that matter. Okay? Well, thank you guys.